Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export audio files in DaVinci Resolve quickly and easily. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you have your project open in DaVinci Resolve with the audio you want to export ready in the timeline. First, go to the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. Once there, look to the left side of your screen. By default, the video option will be selected. Deselect the Export Video checkbox as we are focusing only on exporting the audio. Next, switch to the Audio tab and make sure the Single Clip option is selected. In the File Name section, give your audio file a title and choose the file format. By default, it might be set to QuickTime. If you're looking for a common format, choose MP3. For higher quality, you can opt for FLAC. I'll choose MP3 for this example. Make sure the codec matches the format you selected. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go to the bottom and click Add to Render Queue. After that, choose where you want to save your audio file on your computer. I'll save mine to the desktop. Finally, click the Render button to start processing your file. Once the render is complete, you'll find your exported audio file in the location you selected. Let's listen to it. Create an account by filling in your date of birth, a unique username, remember, and that's it. Now you know how to export audio files in DaVinci Resolve.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.